Hello people and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel. We'll start today's episode off with a crazy road rage in which one driver got out of his car and he made sure to take his anger out on another vehicle. In this video, you'll definitely see how not to change lanes. The driver in front of the camera didn't bother indicating at all, and he cut across two lanes that almost caused an accident. Brace yourselves for a lot of driving fails caught on camera, from drivers cutting others off and not using their turn signals, from crazy pedestrians walking all over the road instead of the sidewalk, and many more. These clips are here so you could all observe and hopefully learn something out of them.
Stop walking in the street. Stupid.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Break. Oh my god. Why would you let him do that? Wow. What is this idiot doing?
Take exit 284.
Really?
In a quarter.
Well, we have a spin out here. That's it. Oh. Bell end. Oh. Oh. Can't drive on the shoulder.
In medicine could unlock the future.
Whoa, watch.
Could cure multiple diseases.
Surveillance camera caught something rather interesting. In this video, we have a bike thief who tried his best to get his hands on a bike and he didn't give up until he managed to do so. Check out how the whole situation took place and hopefully you might recognize the thief.
Karens triggered in 3, 2, 1, go.
See, the thing with cyclists is they're an absolute menace, don't you think? I mean, look at this guy here, right? Look at him riding on the double white lines, solid white lines. I mean, you know, you don't catch me doing things like that because, you know, you just don't do stuff. I'm sure that's against the law, doing that. You look how he's just doing it there, right? Giving a care in the world, cycling past everyone's cars. Do you think if I got close enough to him, he'd be my friend? He's not paying any attention to me, but he knows I'm behind him. Oh, there he goes around the back of that car. I'll go around here. That BMW's kindly let me through. Oh, fucking hell. Cyclist friend there just tried to kill me, the hooligan. Honestly.
Just because you're using your turn signals, it doesn't mean you have the right of way. Definitely check your side view mirrors before changing lanes, people, before it's too late.
Some of the law taking these hyper-aggressive positions. Are counterproductive. They backfire. As you know, he feeds.
¿Tú siempre manejas así? Sí. Ok.
En Colombia cuando tengo que ir a 80.
No, güey, te pasas, es un rojo. Bro, güey, es un rojo. Bro.
Sí, perdón, sorry. Pero es que tengo que frenar antes.
Obvio.
A knife drawer in my house. They were asking me if I saw any knives missing, and it was an emotional.
What's the matter with you? It's a freaking red light! You almost killed me! You almost killed me!
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. If you truly support this type of content, feel free to leave a like because we will really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. And until the next episode, drive safe and watch out for these crazy drivers.